Okay, which combination of chemical compound can be used to produce the fertilizer shown? Okay, I have NPK. Well, okay, so the ratio, right, is 21, 16, and 8. I can't really divide it by anything. So 21 and super grow. So right now what you need to do, right, you just need to work out each of their ratio. Okay, so N from here, right, N is 3 part, P is 1, is P1. Okay, so NH3 is 1. Okay, then K, and K is basically 1. Okay, so next, what else? Now NH4NO3. Oh, actually, you don't even need to care, you know. I don't even need to care the ratio. I just need to look at it. Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, GG. Nitrogen, no P and S, no P and K. Wrong. Nitrogen, no P and K. Wrong. Okay, I thought I need to find out the ratio. Low. Okay, got nitrogen, got potassium, no P. Wrong. Ha 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 ha. A. Okay.
3 marks.
3 marks, yeah. Okay, yeah, sorry. At first, I thought they asked you to determine the ratio. I'm like, huh? But okay. Which process does not produce carbon dioxide? Okay, does not produce carbon dioxide. Combustion of hydrocarbon, of course it does. CO2 and H2O, yeah, baby. Photosynthesis produces oxygen. I mean, like, is this biology paper? Come on, man. Okay, next. Reaction between acid and metal carbonate. Okay, I give you one example. Mg plus H, metal carbonate. MgCO3 plus HCl. Okay, I will get a salt. At the same time, I will get carbon dioxide and H2O. Respiration, C6H12O6 plus 6O2. You will break down into 6CO2 plus 6H2O. Yeah. Okay, next. Which substance is used to bleach? Okay, bleach. Okay, this is very sexy. Okay, you can use anything that contains sulfur, yeah. So sulfur dioxide, right, it's a very good bleaching agent. Another bleaching agent that we have, right, is HClO. We call it as chloric acid. Okay, then this chloride ion has a bleaching effect. Okay, so the answer is sulfur dioxide. Okay, in fact, a fun fact story for you guys, yeah. If around you guys, do you have any friends that it's like very good in swimming, national swimmer, very good in swimming, everyday swim, Aquaman part 2? Okay, so if you have this friend always swim, right, trust me, okay, what happens is that his hair will eventually get bleached days by day. What happens is that his hair or her hair, right, won't be that black anymore. It might be a bit brown or a bit yellow. Am I right? Because due to the fact that inside swimming pool, right? Swimming pool, you have chloride ion. And this chloride ion is a bleaching effect. So what happens is that it bleaches your hair. Okay, so if you have any friends, right, wow, damn good at swimming, every day must jump into the swimming pool. Okay, then trust me, his hair will be like slightly brown in color. Hinhua science teacher don't believe it. Serious? Why my friend hair gonna bleach? Oh yeah, at the same time, it also does dry your hair because, right, chloride is also known as a drying agent. So it can dry up your hair very quickly. So which is why after you swim, right, usually you will see your hair very dry. So you shower with conditioner, very dry. Reason, it dries up your hair. So it causes a lot of fizzling. Okay, so that's the reason, yeah, because it bleaches your hair. Okay, next, calcium carbonate. Okay, by the way, yeah, your calcium carbonate is CaCO3, yeah. Oh my God, I love my O, man. Okay, calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Yeah. Okay, so it is used in cracking. No, cracking is Al2O3 and SiO2, right? It's not, yeah. Manufacture of aluminium, bruh, it's not. Aluminium, you need cryolite, right? Okay, manufacture of, yes, correct. This is in building construction material as construction material. Okay, purification of water. Okay, water, we use chlorine, yeah. Okay, because you kill all the bacteria at the same time, your microorganism, yeah. Okay, next, 34. Propane, okay, CaCO3, it's limestone. It can undergo this like a love story, right, between, I'm not so sure who, okay. Oh, I know Shinju. Shinju, this fella from KDU. Shinju, Cadence, who else? And your CaOH2. Okay, imagine, right, this fella, okay, when you heat it, it forms calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is basically your quicklime, or you can just call it as lime. Okay, and let's say if you add H2O, if you hydrolyze it, okay, this we call it as your slick lime, calcium hydroxide. And CaOH, you can add CO2. This is basically your lime water test here. Okay, to turn back into calcium carbonate.